Which are the use cases where a developer can find themselves using an API? So one of the places where you can find the use of an API is when a developer has two sides of an application. They have created a front end, for example, using frameworks like React, Vue.js. So, and then the backend can use something like Node.js, PHP, and whatever it is that they can be able to use. And so, in order to make these two sub applications to communicate one to another, one would need to employ an API such that they can be able to knit the two together, such that they can be able to communicate. When somebody makes a login, then the front end can be able to ask the back end to be in a position to log this person in. If the credentials are okay, then the person will be logged in. So that is one of the scenarios. The second scenarios is where we have machine to machine communication. And this, I can be able to use an example where you have maybe a payment gateway system, for example, M-Pesa, and then you have integrated M-Pesa into your application in a way that when a user pays through their phone, then M-Pesa can be able to notify your system that this user has done the payment. So this can enable you to be able to receive payments without you as a developer or maybe the person owning the system doing anything about it. So if, let me say, the service they are offering is does not require physical presence, the system can handle the payments and it can also handle giving the customers the service they required. So Safaricom will have its own APIs, and then a developer will come and integrate into these APIs, and then the API will be able to communicate to the API will enable the communication between one machine and another. And as this communication takes place, then you will have data being synchronized between the two without interference of any other third-party individual. You also have this cloud infrastructure where we have applications being hosted in the cloud. Even these ones, they also use APIs. Also for mobile applications are also usually connected via API to the backend, and still, this is one of the ways in which APIs can be able to enable communication. Thank you very much.